Hey, it's Sam here, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the Redragon DHARMA K740 Pro. It's a 98% trimode keyboard with a solid aluminum case and a volume knob. Priced around $70, it's only available in this purple and black colorway. Included in the box is a set of Redragon stickers, the keyboard user manual, a Type-A to Type-C USB cable, a switch and keycap puller, 4 extra switches, and the K740 Pro keyboard, which is quite heavy at 1.2 kilograms or 2.6 pounds with that solid aluminum case. Going on to the design, the keyboard features a 98% exploded layout with a volume knob on the top right corner, 4 indicator lights next to the numpad, has a solid fully aluminum case that has the Redragon logo on the front and the Type-C port in the middle on the back, 4 non-slip feet on the bottom with 2 flip-out ones to increase the typing angle of the keyboard, alongside the trimode toggle and OS switcher and a magnetic storage slot for the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle. Moving back to the top, the keyboard comes with this rounded OEM profile shine-through PBT keycaps in this purple and black colorway with the functions printed on top, Redragon Min-Member linear switches that are pre-looped out of the box, plate-mounted stabilizers that have been very generously looped, a really stable tray-mounted aluminum plate, a 5-pin hot swap north-facing PCB with per-key RGB for that nice RGB shine-through, a 4000 mAh power battery that can last around 20 hours with the RGB on max, and surprisingly no sound dampening mods in the case or in between the plate and PCB, which does result in a hollow typing experience. On the topic of that, the keyboard does have a stable and solid feel while in use, and the 98 key layout with the numpad and volume knob is great for productivity and working. The shine-through keycaps are nice too, letting you easily see in the dark while typing or using the keyboard. The only downside is that there's no sound dampening mods as mentioned before, so it does not sound the best in my opinion. Anyway, here is the typing sound test. Carrying on to the software, the keyboard supports the Redragon K740 RGB Pro driver. This software allows you to set different profiles, remap all of the layers and keys with the functions listed here, configure the RGB lighting effects, brightness, speed, and color, enable the audio visualizer mode for videos and music, which I admit is pretty cool, and also record and import macros. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the Redragon DHARMA K740 Pro. Priced around $70, it has a quite nice and premium aluminum case, a 98% compact layout with a volume knob which is perfect for productivity and work, and honestly has a solid typing feel and really nice RGB lighting. The only thing to note is that it sounds quite hollow as in the sound test, as there isn't any sound dampening mods included in the keyboard. So if you're looking for a 98% wireless keyboard with a really high quality build and RGB lighting and you don't really care how it sounds, the Redragon DHARMA K740 Pro is a decent option. As usual, everything will be linked in the description below if you're interested, and that does it for this video. Thanks to Redragon for the keyboard and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.